here we are in part 4, and I want to say something about the reinforcement equation again and go back. I think there's something that I left out on Thursday that might help to clarify this a good bit for those who are struggling with it. So let's take a look again at the basic equation here. The three components: the discriminative stimulus, the response or behavior, and the reinforcement stimulus. Okay? Now, for positive reinforcement, this stimulus is something that happens at the beginning, or something that's an object that's close by, or a situation. It's something that becomes a cue or a signal to perform the behavior. After the behavior is performed, something is added. That's why I have this plus sign here. Something satisfying, a stimulus, okay? For example, there's a lever. The mouse pushes on the lever, the mouse gets a food pellet. Or you could think of the dog we saw in the video. The owner says, sit. The dog sits, the dog gets a treat. Now each time the owner says sit, the dog sits and he gets a treat. So something is being added after the behavior. After the behavior plus some positive or satisfying stimulus. Okay? What's different about negative reinforcement, and I think this is the thing that I neglected to mention, and I hope this helps, is that with negative reinforcement, the discriminative stimulus, which starts the whole process, is aversive. It's bad. It's something, I guess I could use the word unpleasant, although I don't really want to frame it that way. It's aversive, okay? Bad, we'll just say that. And then the behavior is an attempt to remove or stop this stimulus. It's usually referred to as escape behavior, because this behavior is attempting to get away from whatever this is. And the reward or the reinforcement is the removal or stopping of whatever this aversive stimulus is. So let's say you have a headache. Oh, my head hurts. I take an aspirin. The pain is gone. Okay? That's the way this works. I want to escape that. There's electricity flowing through the cage. It's painful. Ouch. Press on the lever. The electricity stops and the pain, the aversive stimulus, is removed. Okay, this is called escape behavior. I hope that helps a little bit.